In this video, we're going to talk about the Cascade. Remember that CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. We're now going to revisit that cascading part. It's actually very simple. All that it refers to is the fact that the order our styles are declared in actually matters. Think of a cascade going down, starting at the top of our styles all the way down to the bottom of a style sheet or onto the next style sheet. The order matters, and the order that things are encountered in is going to be reflected in what you see in the browser. So if there is, in this case, two conflicting styles, two H1 styles, one is red, the other is purple, it's going to be set to red first, but then, thanks to the cascade, it will actually be set to purple instead. So we could see some simple examples of this, right? I'm making H1s and H2s this color here. I could then afterwards, anywhere on here, say actually H1s and H2s are actually going to have a color of yellow. And I'll refresh, and they do. That order matters. And that order also matters if we have more than one style sheet. So if I had another style sheet here, just call this more styles.css, and I include that, link more styles.css, and then in here I'll do something like all H1s and H2s actually have a color of about olive drab, just like that. The order matters here. The browser will encounter all of these styles first, one after the other, just going down the page, and then it gets to the next link, which is this style sheet. So it goes here and it encounters these, and it's going to overwrite what it had earlier. So originally all H1s were supposed to have this bluish color, and then actually scratch that, they're supposed to be yellow, and then actually now they're supposed to be olive drab. So if I refresh, there we go, we're getting that olive drab color. So that order matters, and if I had moved that in front and I refresh, now they're set to yellow. Okay, so I'm going to undo that anyway. I don't really want that. But this is just a very important, hopefully easy to understand topic in CSS. The order things are declared in does matter. But there's a more important topic we have to cover next, which is specificity.